Today's video is going to be all about long-lasting makeup look. If you are a bride or a wedding guest, this video is for you because today I'm going to show you guys technique and a very simple, easy wedding makeup look which will be super long-lasting. If you want long-lasting makeup which is going to stay throughout the day, this video is for you. Even if you are a bride, you want to do your own makeup, or maybe you want to do your makeup for different types of occasions that you have, this makeup look will be the best, and the techniques will just blow your mind how easy, simple techniques can make your makeup super long lasting throughout the day. So very first thing, do your eyebrows. I always mention this, your eyebrows, this is a very important step. Always do your eyebrows before you do your makeup so that your face gets a structure and it's very polished. It looks really nice. You can go in with your eyebrow pencil or your eyebrow mascara. Next step is to prep your skin. I already used a moisturizer, which is very important. Use a moisturizer according to your skin type. After using moisturizer, this is a very important step. Use a setting spray to set your face before you go in with your primer. You can use it after you use a primer. I personally love using this before I use my primer, and no matter how much layer of makeup I'm going to put on top of my skin, it's going to be super long lasting because I've used a setting spray before my makeup. So this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, which is my absolute favorite. I love it so much. You can use this product in so many different ways. That you can prep your skin, you can set your skin, you can also use the setting spray in the middle of your makeup as well, just to blend the product. So I'm gonna use this. Let your skin absorb, don't touch your face, and let the skin absorb this setting spray. And after that, we are going to move on to our next step. If you don't want to purchase the all-nighter setting spray, it's quite expensive. Go in with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is the mini one and it works amazingly well. This is an affordable alternative of the Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. It makes your makeup super long lasting. Again, it's beautiful, very iconic product, and also I just love the mist of this, better than the all-nighter setting spray. Okay, now my skin is all prepped with the setting spray. Now I'm gonna move on to my primer. I'm using this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is going to stick everything on your face. This is so powerful. It's gonna make your makeup last forever. This is amazing. It's going to make your makeup look flawless at the same time. Plus, it's gonna last your makeup for so long. I have used this primer so much and I've tested this out, and I know that this is gonna work amazingly well if you want to last your makeup. This is the magic product right over here. I'm just going to use it all over my face, but especially I'm gonna focus it on my nose and mouth area because this is where your foundation cracks and moves a lot, because we obviously talk and we laugh. So this is the place where your foundation is going to move a lot. Now again, before you go in with your foundation, wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then go in with your foundation. So for my foundation, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm going to mix these two together. I have the shade 235, which is honey, and this one is 140, which is beige, golden beige. So I'm gonna mix these two together. This is like a little bit dark for me and this is like way too light. So I'm gonna mix these two. Use 1 pump of, maybe 2 pump of this. Just a tiny pump of this 140 golden beige. Mix it really well. I'm using my brush. This is the Mars foundation brush, F101. what my skin looks like after using the foundation. You can see a very thin layer of foundation, but the foundation coverage is really good. That's why I used it. You just don't need too much product, just a little amount, and you can cover up your entire face. One pump of this foundation and you can make some dots on your face. If it's covered, you can blend it out with a beauty sponge or a brush. And this is the foundation. If you want a more natural look, go in with a beauty sponge. If you want a more high coverage look, then go in with the brush. We are going to play with some cream products before going in with my powder. I'm going to use this concealer. This is from MAC and this is NC38. I love this concealer so much. It's high coverage, gives a very beautiful hydrating finish as well, and it's so easy to blend. So I'm just going to use the concealer here, and I will move on to my cream bronzer and blush. So this is the cream bronzer. This is from Rare Beauty, and you can use any cream bronzer or contour that you have. I'm going to use this product a lot because it's a very natural looking product. So take my concealer brush and I will just blend out the concealer. I'm not moving the concealer here and there. I'm just focusing wherever I have applied, and I'm just using a dabbing motion to blend it. I'm not swiping the product, just a dabbing motion to blend the concealer. Use this Milani blush. This is a liquid blush. You can use any liquid blush that you have. I am using the shade Pink Flirt because I'm wearing pink, so I want something pink. This is what the color looks like. Isn't it beautiful? So you can see how sheer the blush is, but still it's adding a little bit of color and some dewiness on my face. Wow, my face is looking super dewy right now, but I'm gonna set everything in place and make your makeup last for a really long time. So I'm using this MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NC35. This is a very long-lasting product. This is very lightweight at the same time. I'm gonna use a powder puff because I don't want the powder to be everywhere on my face. I want to set specific areas. So I'm gonna take my powder. I'm not going to directly go into my face. I am just going to press it right over here just to bring out the excess. And now I am going to set wherever I want. I'm gonna set my under eyes. Powder is so flawless, you can see that. It's literally like a filter. If you directly go in with your powder on your face, it's gonna look very patchy. So make sure you are not doing that. I'm going to set my forehead as well. Of course, my mouth area, just the corner of your face. Never forget this area. I'm gonna set my blush with a powder blush. This is from Dior and this is what it looks like. It's the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow Blush. This is my favorite color and I don't know why I love it so much. Set my blush and here you have the most long-lasting blush ever. It's very subtle, it's like not too much, but it's all set for the rest of the day. Okay, so now it's time for eye makeup look. I'm gonna use this palette from Too Faced. This is a very versatile palette. This is the Born This Way eyeshadow palette, and this is called the Natural Nudes because this palette contains so many beautiful bridal shades. I think this palette is perfect for your bridal makeup looks. And if you don't have this palette, you have so many affordable alternatives where you can get similar shades like this. So today I'm gonna do a nude pink eye makeup look. So I'm gonna take this color first as my transition shade. How can you make your eyeshadow look? Now, how can you make your eyeshadow long lasting? A very easy, simple step is to use eyeshadow stick first before you go in with your powder. Eyeshadow sticks, these are going to be long lasting because of the formula. Like, these are supposed to be a long lasting formula. I'm using this one from Colourpop. This is in the shade Bear With Me. I'm using a shade which is very natural and very close to my eye color. So I'm just going to use this as a base because this is, once it sets, this is not going to move. So if you use powder on top of this, your eyeshadow is going to be super long lasting. What Bear With Me looks like from Colourpop. This is how you can avoid eyeshadow primers, and with simple easy steps you can make it more long lasting. I'm gonna take this shade and I will just use it all over my eyelid with a light hand circular motion. By the way, I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. So once your cream eyeshadow is wet, if you put powder on top of that, it's gonna grip and make the eyeshadow look very long lasting. So I'm just going to use it all over my eyelid. Take this shimmer shade. This is the color, and I'm gonna mix it with this pink color. This is like a rosy pink and this is like a light pink. And I'm just going to use it on my inner corner and I'm gonna bring it upward. My makeup look, literally it took me 10 seconds maybe, and this is the most easy eye makeup look. Again, I'm wearing some eyelash. You can definitely wear it. It's gonna make your eye makeup look so beautiful. But if you don't want to wear it, you can definitely go in with your favorite mascara. My eye makeup is done. I used a bit of mascara on my lower lash line. Now a very beautiful technique and my favorite technique is to use a cream eye pencil like this. This is from Makeup Revolution. You can get so many cream eye pencils from Mars as well. A bit on your waterline and instantly it opens up your eyes. You can see your eye makeup is going to look so professional and so high quality. And see how beautiful that looks already. Instantly you have doll eyes. This is my doll eye technique. I love calling it doll eyes. So this is what it looks like. Now I have few things left. My camera is about to die. I'm gonna spray this all-nighter setting spray again on my entire face, and this is gonna lock in everything that I did. So I'm just going to very carefully, do not take it too close to your face. And this is the lip combo. This is the best lip combo, and this is how I'm gonna make my lip color very long lasting. First, I'm using a lip liner from Mars, and this is a beautiful brown shade. I'm gonna link everything for you in the description box below. Then I'm using this lip Soufflé from Rare Beauty. If you don't have this, you can use any lip tint that you have just to set your lip liner with a lip color or a lip tint. And then I'm going in with a Mars lip gloss. This is a non-transfer lip gloss, and this is my favorite shade called Noor, and I'm absolutely in love with this look. This look is super fresh, flawless, easy to do, and perfect for beginners. And this is long lasting, which is the best part. You can literally create this look for any occasion you want with any outfit you want. It's super simple, just like my other looks. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.